Welcome to this session on the steel flow system. In this session, we will examine the intricate connection details essential for constructing robust steel flow systems. This topic is part of the Building Construction 3 course. The course and its illustrations are designed to enable architectural students and architects to clearly understand the forms and sizes associated with steel structures and to apply this knowledge in designing such components in their projects. In this section, we will try to understand the intricate details of inner base plate, stiffener base plate and the plate gusset. These connection details play a crucial role in ensuring the structural integrity and stability of steel flow systems. The inner base plate serves as a foundation for vertical members, while the stiffener base plate provides additional support and reinforcement. The plate gusset is essential for transferring loads between connected members and maintaining the overall strength of the steel structure. A base plate connection is a type of steel connection that uses a base plate to transfer loads from a steel column to a concrete foundation. The base plate is a thick steel plate that is welded to the bottom of the column. The base plate is then bolted to the concrete foundation with high-strength bolts. Base plate steel connections are commonly used in high-rise buildings and other structures that require a strong and rigid connection between the columns and the foundation. The design of base plate connections involves careful consideration of factors such as plate thickness, bolt size, and anchor rod placement to ensure adequate load transfer and structural integrity. These connections must be engineered to resist various forces, including axial loads, shear forces, and bending moments that may be exerted on the column. Proper detailing and installation of base plate connections are crucial for maintaining the overall stability and safety of the structure, particularly in areas prone to seismic activity or high wind loads. Inner bolt base plate steel connections are available in a range of sizes with plate widths and depths between 5.1 inch to 20.4 inches or between 13 cm to 51.8 cm and typical plate thicknesses between 0.47 inches to 1.18 inches or between 12 to 30 mm. The selection of appropriate base plate dimensions and bolt configurations depends on the specific load requirements and structural design of the building. Now we will see another connection, that is base plate stiffener. A stiffener base plate steel connection is a type of connection used in structural steel construction. It consists of a base plate, which is a large metal plate that is welded to the bottom of a column, and stiffeners, which are smaller metal plates that are welded to the base plate. The stiffeners help to increase the stiffness of the base plate and prevent it from buckling under load. This type of connection is often used in tall buildings and other structures that are subjected to high loads. The stiffeners are typically arranged in a radial pattern around the column, providing additional support and distributing the load more evenly across the base plate. This connection design allows for efficient transfer of forces from the column to the foundation, enhancing the overall stability of the structure. The thickness and dimensions of both the base plate and stiffeners are carefully calculated based on the specific load requirements and structural design considerations of the building. Stiffener base plate steel connections are available in a range of sizes with plate widths and depths between 7.56 to 30.16, overall heights from 1.93 to 6.85, and plate thicknesses between 0.47 to 1.18. These dimensions indicate a range of sizes suitable for various industrial applications. The wide span of plate lengths allows for flexibility in design and construction, accommodating different project requirements. A gusset plate steel connection is a type of structural connection that uses a flat, triangular, or rectangular plate of metal, the gusset plate, to connect two or more steel members together. The gusset plate is typically made of high-strength steel and is welded or bolted to the members. Gusset plate connections are commonly used in steel buildings, bridges, and other structures. They are a versatile and efficient way to connect steel members, and they can be designed to accommodate a wide range of loads and forces. Gusset plates can be customized in size and shape to suit specific structural needs, enhancing their versatility in various construction projects. The thickness of the gusset plate can be adjusted to withstand different load requirements, ensuring optimal strength and stability. Additionally, the placement and number of bolts or welds used in the connection can be tailored to distribute forces effectively across the connected members. Gusset plates can be easily inspected and maintained, contributing to the longevity and safety of the structural system. Gusset plate steel connections are available in a range of sizes with widths between 21.6 to 75.6, heights of 12.8 to 43.3, and plate thicknesses of 0.35 to 0.87. These dimensions indicate a range of sizes for industrial components or materials. The width or diameter varies from a minimum of 8 inches to a maximum of 43.3 inches, with metric equivalents provided. I hope the descriptions are useful, especially for the students of architecture, as they little lag in understanding the forms of steel structures. The content is mapped with the GATE syllabus, hence may be useful for the students appearing for GATE next year. In the next video further, we will discuss the pin and hinge steel column connection there, its types, structure, and feature load transfer behaviors. Stay tuned.